I just want to make a quick video, man, about putting the HellCat grill on your SRT, RT, Sky Pack bumper. We all know it's supposed to fit, it's supposed to be pretty flush. I had a few issues the first time, so we took the bumper back off. We're repainting some things, so I decided to give a little more detail on how I made it work for me. So first thing, we were having an issue with getting this to, kind of clear and sit flush. So what you have to do in the first place is cut the tabs off your stock bumper and not the grill. You cut the tabs off the bumper here so that it can sit flush. And then what we did was get the tape. So you can either use a 1 inch, which is actually a little too thick for what you're gonna tape it to, which is right here, or you can get a 1/2 inch. So I use 1/2 inch, but you really should just get a 3/4. 3/4 would be perfect fit. Once you get that, you line it towards this edge. You line the tape all the way through, top and bottom. And then what you're gonna do is spread this apart as you slide the grill in. That way it doesn't stick. Then what I did was put my finger behind here and make sure it sits flush with the bumper. So as you can see, my seam right here is all flush when it starts. And then it's gonna curve because there's a different angle. So we have that little curve in there. And so it's actually covered if you start here flush. And then on the top side, I actually went in a little bit. So it's not completely flush, it's actually sunken this way. And that's no gap right there. So that you don't really have to worry about. So the tape looks like it was gonna hold. Everybody says Gorilla tape. I use the 3M double-sided tape. It's cool. I just worry a little. So I got a drill. And we drilled 4 holes. One here on the tab, and then one there on the tab. And like I said, you don't modify the grill at all. So these are actually gonna already be seen. So it's not completely, as I want to say, like flush like a HellCat, but from behind, even though it's a little dirty right here, from afar, you can't really tell that the tabs are there. So they're going to be there no matter what. So I figure why not just go ahead and put the screws in there. So I got the screws there, one on each side. And then I also did the top. So I got one up there and I got one on the other side. And they're exactly where the tabs are. So it correlates with the bumper tabs down here. So actually what you cut out, and then it just drills straight through. And man, this grill is not going anywhere. Ain't coming off in a car wash. Not gonna blow off at 140. You don't have to worry about it. So it's secure. This is how I did it. I think this is a little better explanation than the 3 or 4 videos that I watched on YouTube. So I just wanted to give you guys this heads up. Do the mod. I mean, this shit looks sick. And when it's on the car, I mean, you know how it's gonna look even better. I'll give you guys a photo of it on the car. And now we're just putting on the splitter right here, and then it's going back up on the car.